Welcome to Product Critique, where we take a close look at the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they truly deliver. Today, we're diving into the MAWADA Universal Projector Shelf for Wall. A foldable mount designed not just for projectors, but also for devices like PS4s and cable boxes. This shelf is crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, giving it a sleek appearance while still supporting up to 44 pounds. Its dimensions, 8.5 by 7.87 inches, provide a compact but sturdy platform for your electronics, making it a versatile addition to any home theater or office setup. One of the standout features of this shelf is its universal 1/4 inch screw holes, which allow you to secure compatible devices firmly. Combined with a reinforced base tripod, it offers extra stability and ensures your equipment stays safely in place. This is especially useful if you have smaller devices that tend to slide or vibrate during operation. The design of this shelf is focused on saving space. By mounting it on your wall, you can free up valuable desk and floor space, giving your entertainment center a clean, organized look. It's also equipped with a cable management hold to neatly route wires, reducing clutter and improving airflow. The shaped ventilation pattern further promotes cooling, helping your devices run efficiently for longer periods. Installation is quick and flexible. The shelf comes with all the necessary hardware, and you can choose between drilling it into the wall or using it in other setup configurations. The clear instructions make it straightforward to get it mounted without any specialized tools. In summary, this universal projector shelf combines strength, style, and functionality. Its foldable, ventilated design supports a variety of devices, offers space-saving benefits, and ensures your electronics are held securely and safely. For anyone looking to declutter their space while keeping their projectors and other devices easily accessible, this shelf is a solid choice. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech accessories.